Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today let me show you how to apply for a second loan on Upstart in 2025. So if you've already taken an Upstart loan but you need additional funds, you may qualify for a second loan, and let me show you how to do that. So the first is to check if you're eligible for a second loan. You must pay off at least 50% of your existing Upstart loan before you can apply for another one. So you ensure on-time payment history to improve your chances. Next is to pre-qualify for the second loan. So go to Upstart's website and check if you're pre-qualified for a new loan. Now, if you are, you can go ahead and apply and get approval. So if eligible, submit a new application for the additional loan amount, and Upstart is going to reassess your financial situation before approval. Lastly, you want to understand the new loan terms. So your second loan will have different interest rates and terms based on your current financial standings. So you want to make sure you take note of that before you go ahead and apply for a second loan. That's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you guys liked it. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already, and I'll see you guys in the next one.